Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Python in our machine. To do that, open a browser and in the search box type in Python and hit enter. So in this page you have to select the first option, downloads. Then you will get this page. In this page it's asking you which operating system are we using to download the source code. As I'm using a Windows machine, I'm selecting Windows. So in this screen, the recently launched updated version will be displayed in the top screen. As you see, the latest version that is available to install is Python 3.13.13, which is released in April 7, 2026. I'm going to click on Windows Installer now. Once the downloads is completed, on the top right hand side, you could see the pop-up. I'm going to click on the file to install it now. In the screen, you will see two options there, install now and customize installation. I'm going to install it in default location. The default location is nothing but it's getting installed in C, users, time, app data, local, programs, Python. Python 3.13 is nothing but the short form of the version. So I'm going to install it now on the default location. If you want to install it in a different location, go ahead and click on customize installation and you could proceed with the installation. So I'm selecting install now on the default location. So installation is completed. In order to validate the successful installation, you could go ahead and open a command prompt. You could go ahead and type in py space -- version. So right now if you see, Python 3.13.13 is the version that is got installed on the machine. Thank you.